What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another piece to install from Contender. If you guys don't remember who that is, he is the guy that built this custom splitter for my car. And what did you get, Hongo, from Contender?
Contender, I got a version 1 diffuser.
So this is the diffuser right here, and this was like the least aggressive out of the 3 or 4, right?
I think it was 3.
3. From the looks of the pictures, this one was a little more round and a little more subtle. The other ones kind of came out really far out and they were really sharp, which was a little too aggressive for Hongo's taste. So he just went with the version 1. Either way, this one looks really, really good. And if you guys remember in the last video, Hongo installed a diffuser on Chino's car. So I guess it's only right that I get under the car for you today, Hongo. And I try to install most of it. So Hongo's putting the car on jack stands. I think we're gonna mock it up first, just to see how it's gonna look on the car. And then we'll go ahead and install it. So this part's gonna be a little bit tricky because of Hongo's spats. Oh, you got?
Yeah.
Alright, so that'll make it a lot easier. And then, are you gonna put them back on? Alright, so this piece is gonna go right about there. It's pretty cool because Contender literally makes it fit to your bumper. So if you guys see that little dip right there, it lines up perfectly. Something like that.
Oh snap, there's halibut.
So Hongo's gonna run the diffuser like this, and then the spats are gonna go back on. So it should look pretty good. We have the brackets right here. He also sent out all the necessary hardware. Marker. And then let's mock this up to see how it looks.
Like that.
Something like that. Can you scoot it more?
No.
So we'll probably have to trim right there on your exhaust. So you want to do like a diagonal?
Mm-hmm.
So do something like it should.
No manches at it.
That's all I got.
Buddy, this is hella. Like it moves too much. You know how dangerous this is?
Just try it.
I don't like this.
Well, I don't have anything else.
No manches, brother.
Look, it works. You got a little bit in there.
What's left? Let's pull it off.
No.
Something like that. Ooh.
Yeah. Alright, we got that all cut out. Not the perfect cut, but no one will ever see that, so that's okay. Next up, I think we're gonna start with that end piece first that goes on the left side of the exhaust, and then we'll mock up the rest. So we actually decided not to use these brackets right here. These are like really super hard metal, and the ones we use for Chino is like it's like a flexible metal, huh? It's like super flexible, and it works a lot better than trying to bend this stuff. So we're gonna go grab that, and then we'll be back. Ooh, look at that diffuser, and check out Chino's new license plate. There we go. So this is the stuff we're gonna use.
We're gonna cut it.
So Hongo got a tow hook along with the diffuser. Dude, that thing's sick.
It is, huh?
It's bigger than, cause it sticks out, right? It sticks out of the bumper.
It's probably gonna be like this much showing up.
Damn, Hongo, baller.
Yep.
What is this?
Yep. So you put, I think you put this on the, or like on the tow hook, so it goes like this.
Hey guys, let's go back home and finish this up.
No.
Look who made it out.
Meeting, hold on. What is that?
What's up, Eduardo?
Check it out.
You know the one Mango has?
Sick, huh?
It's kind of like mangoes.
That's sick.
I like
I don't
how
know
it's
if it
like
says
candy red, huh? Got the second part kind of mocked up. Only the front screws are in. So now we got to build brackets for the back side of it that go into the wheel well.
If you want to play.
COD Mobile?
Yeah, let's play.
Dude, I hella suck at that game. So we just got the tow hook on. What do you guys think? I think it looks really, really good because it matches the tail light. And this is how much it sticks out from the bumper. Right there. Here's how it looks from this side. Nice, Hongo. You're hella dirty. So diffuser is pretty much all installed. Now we just need to get this spat on. So same thing that we did on this side, we gotta do that side. Alright guys, there it is. Diffuser is installed.
Yeah.
Damn, looks good. Let's lower it to see how it looks on the floor. Hey, era Hongo. Yeah. I feel like this diffuser sticks out more than the one before you had. That one was kind of like pushed in. So if you guys remember how Javi cut around the axle in the last video, well, Hongo was able to go just a little bit lower, but it's more like right here, like an inch. This is just because my driveway sucks, but this is about how low Hongo can go now.
Hi.
What's up, Ruined?
What's up?
Hi, Marco.
Hey, come check out the diffuser.
Ew, Ricer.
Hello, Racer.
Go first, Hongo.
We're on our way right now. We have this.
Time to go eat, boys.
Where are we going?
What do you mean where are we going?
To the left.
Left.
We're going to Big Daddy's.
Big Daddy.
Is Hongo spotting you?
No.
Dude, he worked hard.
What the?
Hongo, we clocked in hella early today. So
Hell no, it's already 11:30.
I mean, food on us.
Food on us.
Thanks.
Ed's buying. Thank you,
I
Ed.
didn't bring my wallet. I think Hongo's gonna spot.
No mames, no one's here.
No,
Those-
mom.
We're taking a present today.
Hurry up.
Hey, get his eye makeup.
Oh, leave it alone.
This little eye. What is it?
Eyeliner?
Mascara.
Aerodynamics.
Sí, nacho fries. Ah, sí. Sí, soda.
So Kevin,
Yeah.
What's up, Kevin?
Hey, you never.
What's up, That's weird.
What?
I think you got mine. Here.
Hey, chill.
Home. Mine.
Hey, get your napkins.
Wait, why do you need? What do you need a fork? Oh, you need a fork.
Hey, get some napkins.
I don't have 5 hands.
Here.
Late.
Where's Hongo? Look.
Hella scared.
Boost it, Chait.
Boost. Drop a gear.
That's it.
Yes, 0 to 60 in 2 seconds.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Thanks, Chait.
Like your older brother.
Thanks, Corito.
So obviously it's been a couple of hours since the last clip that you guys saw. We're actually leaving for subiefest tomorrow, right, Hongo? Tomorrow
In 5
morning.
hours.
5 hours, guys. So we're actually gonna stay over at Wombo's house. He's coming to subiefest with us this year. So we're gonna stay down here with him, save like 30 minutes to like 40 minutes of driving. Subiefest isn't till Sunday, but we're leaving tomorrow, which is Thursday. We like to take advantage that we're in LA and just do a bunch of stuff before we go to Subiefest. But we did spend most of the day today kind of just prepping for Subiefest. I got the car all cleaned up. Looks really, really good. You guys remember the wax slash polish that we did at Ruben's house when we got my car detailed? I did that to my car, and once we get to LA, we're probably gonna do it on Hongo's car and my car again, just because you can never have enough coats. But anyways, let us know what you guys think about Hongo's new diffuser. We think it looks really, really good. Yo, we made it. Jasper. What's up, Hongo? Let's go to sleep. Fuck no, we're gonna party all night. Yo, we gotta whisper because everyone's sleeping.